Adhesion, also known as surface adhesion, describes the binding forces between two joined parts. This can occur, on the one hand, through mechanical interlocking. This only comes into play with very porous or rough surfaces. In this case, the adhesive spreads into undercuts and, once cured, hooks itself firmly in place. On the other hand, adhesion can arise through chemical bonds between molecules. This type of bond exhibits the highest binding strength, but it only occurs with very few material combinations, such as when bonding silicone to glass. In most adhesive bonds, however, adhesion arises through physical interactions. This mutual attraction between molecules occurs exclusively on the nanometer scale. Therefore, adhesion only takes place at a few points between two joined parts. Adhesion can be increased, for example, by using adhesive as an adhesion promoter. In this case, the polymer chains of the adhesive settle into the cavities between the joined parts, thereby establishing a physical interaction.